Hey guys, another trip to the store, buy a little dinner. We're gonna treat ourselves to some pizza, but instead of spending 25 to 30 bucks for a brand name like Round Table delivered, I get like the $6 to $8 Safeway pizza, which surprisingly tastes better than like all the frozen ones we buy and stuff. On the car news, I'm trying a new Stage 1 file that I got. It's another one from Torqued Performance by Eric. He gave me a special deal. I had already bought the EBCS Stage 1 file from him, which I still have if I ever get an electronic boost control solenoid. So he's making me just a base Stage 1 just for an extra 50, which is a really good deal. I appreciate that. So I am testing my first revision right now of this new Stage 1 just to see what it's like. Not bad. So I'll be doing some logging and stuff. Are you ready to go get pizza?
Yes.
What else are we gonna buy?
Soda.
Soda?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean Coke?
Yeah, Coke.
Alright, for a special treat tonight, right? Alright.